How to remove credit or debit card from TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to remove credit or debit card from TikTok account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok app. Make sure to log in. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on 3-bar menu icon at top right corner and from this menu choose balance option. Inside the balance section, tap on live rewards or balance again. So if you have the withdraw option enabled, you will see a wallet icon or payment icon at top right corner. Tap payment icon, select payment method, and you need to simply choose the payment method which you want to remove. Tap on delete payment method and confirm it. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.